Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the wheel brakes on this Chevy Camaro. Here are the parts that we need and the tools. So first, let's put the vehicle in service mode. I'll put the link in the comment section below of that skin tool that I'm using, because it is necessary to do this job. You can't compress the caliper until you put the vehicle on service mode. So as you see here, I'm in the modules. I'm in the EBCM, electronic brake control module, and go to functions and go all the way down and retract wheel caliper. As you can hear the caliper winding. It's retracting away from the pad, okay? And once you're done here, the wheel work begin. Let's start our rotor here so that we can take the rust off, and we're gonna compress it now. I'm using a screwdriver to compress it. Good. Let's remove the rotor returning screw. It is a T30. Let's remove our caliper bolt. They are 40 millimeter. Now let's hang our caliper using a bungee cord. And now we're inspecting the slider pins. Take the old pad out. Good. Now let's take our caliper bracket bolt. They are 80 millimeter. Take them off. Take the old rotor out. Now we're gonna clean the hub. Make sure you wear eye protection. You can use a wire brush for this. It's not necessary to use the grinder here. We're cleaning the new rotor. Take the rust protection off of it using brake clean or soap and water. Put down returning screw in. Good. Now we're gonna remove the old hardware from the brake caliper bracket, and we're gonna clean them with grease on the slider pins. Same for this, you do not need the grinder. You can use an actual wire brush for this. Let's take out that cover from the brake pad. We grease the mating surfaces and grease the back of the brake pad. And we're pretty much done here, guys. Just watch the video how to take the vehicle out of service mode. Thanks for watching. We're back in the vehicle now. We're gonna pump the brakes a few times. Good. And turn it on in accessory mode. Don't start the engine, just accessory mode. And we'll go to the skin tool, actuation test. You scroll all the way down, and wheel brake caliper piston extend. Okay, apply. And that's it. You're done, guys. Let's start the vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.